Hi, my name is Sabrina and I'm a self-proclaimed font addict. Right when I wake up, I go on that font and I scroll for an hour looking for any fonts to satisfy my ever-growing need for more fonts. But today is not the day we're curing my font addiction. Today we're only making it worse. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we're making a font out of my own handwriting.
It's a beautiful day to feel fine.
Now the first step is to go on Calligrapher and make an account. Next up, creating a template. Now you can make a choice of the letters you want in your font. Now that we have our template, we can go and print it. Now it's time to get my printer out of the closet. It's okay, baby, it's Pride Month. You can come out now.
Fine, you're doing amazing, buddy. Come on, come on. Thank you. Good boy.
So now for the fun part, the writing. I have some ideas of my handwriting, and also I have a little ABCD planned out. So let's go do this right now. So I always scan with a DPI of 600 just to ensure that the quality is chef's kiss. Highly recommend that. Okay, but that turned out so well, I'm shocked. Just starting up yesterday's vlog. Yeah, let's see. That works. Yes, it's here. Oh my god, it's so cute. Damn, this is ridiculously cute. I'm gonna use this all the time. This is my new addiction. I never really liked my handwriting, so it's surprising to me that it looks so good in font form. I'd maybe adjust the kerning, the space between the letters a little bit. You can actually do that on the Calligrapher site. It just costs money. I know, it's not really necessary for me. That is magnificent. You can change the color, okay. Now let's check out Photoshop. Okay, hello, please. A nice orange. That's so cool. Y'all, why am I so shocked that it's worked? It looks so good. So yeah, I don't know what else there is to say. I really enjoyed this very quick little craft. I highly recommend you do this if you have time in quarantine, because it's a very rewarding thing to do. And it's very nice to see your own handwriting all pretty. Oh my god, I can take notes in Word now in my own handwriting. Honestly, mind blown. So that was it for this really quick, short little video. I hope you enjoyed. You're gonna see this font all over my vlogs. Glorious. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment and do all those things, because it would really help me out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!